Learn English with Jenny. Please like, share and subscribe for more content.
Hello, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine. Thank you.
Can I ask you a few questions?
Yes, of course.
How much do you weigh?
I weigh 120 kilograms.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 2 siblings.
What do you want to eat?
I want to eat burger.
Why are you late?
I had traffic trouble.
Are you a morning or evening walker?
I prefer morning walks.
How many hours do you sleep?
I sleep for 8 hours.
How much does your phone cost?
My phone cost is 50,000.
Are you good to solving puzzles?
Yes, I like solving puzzles.
What do you like to do for fun?
I like to play football.
Did you attend any meeting today?
Yes, I had few meeting.
How many countries have you visited?
I have visited 4 countries.
Where were you last Friday?
I was at a friend's marriage party.
Did you enjoy the movie?
Yes, it was really fantastic.
What do you have for lunch today?
I have a sandwich and a salad.
Did you meet your friend recently?
Yes, I met my new friend recently.
Where did you travel during your last vacation?
I went to the Taj Mahal with my family.
Did you play any sports over the weekends?
No, I prefer to relax on weekends.
What time did you do to bed last night?
I went to bed at 9:30 p.m.
Did you visit a museum this week?
Yes, I went to the City Museum.
Did you cook dinner last night?
Yes, I cooked pizza for dinner.
Where did you find your lost keys?
I found them on the table.
Did you exercise this week?
Yes, I went for a jog.
How did you celebrate your birthday?
I celebrated with my friends and family.
Did you take photos on your vacation?
Yes, I took many pictures.
What time did you leave the office?
I left at 6 p.m.
Did you bake anything this week?
Yes, I baked cookies.
What time did you start work?
I start at 9 a.m.
Do you have meeting every day?
No, I have meetings twice a week.
Are you coming?
Yes, I am coming.
Where are you live?
I live in London.
What's on your mind?
I am just thinking.
What did you say?
I did say nothing.
When will they come?
They will come tomorrow morning.
What is better?
It's the best.
What do you want to be?
I want to be a doctor.
What do you want to do?
I want to earn a lot of money.
Where do you have pain?
I have back pain.
Do you feel like eating?
Yes, I love eating.
Do you talk to your dog?
Yes, sometime but not always.
Do you think I'm stupid?
Not be, but I'm not sure.
What is there to laugh about?
That one is too funny.
Did you go to school every day?
I went to school regularly.
Did you play with your friends?
I always play with our friends.
Did you go to the market?
Yes, I went to the market.
What did you buy from the market?
I bought 2 t-shirt.
Did you ever hurt anyone?
Yes, I hurt somebody.
Did your siblings play with you?
Yes, they always played with me.
Did your mother cook food every day?
Yes, but sometime I helped her.
Did you want to live with your family?
Yes, I always wanted to live my family members.
Did your friends dance with you at party?
Yes, they danced with me.
Did you attend college?
Yes, I attended college.
Did you watch movie last night?
Yes, I watched movie last night.
Did you have dinner last night?
Yes, I had dinner last night.
Did you spend time with friend?
Yes, I loved spend time with friends.
Did you go to the beach last weekend?
Yes, I went to the beach last weekend with friends.
What make you happy?
Your presents make me happy.
What kind of phone do you have?
I am using an Apple phone.
What do you recommend for food?
I recommended local food.
What do you drink at breakfast?
I drink only soft drink and water.
What did you buy at the store?
I bought milk and bread.
What do you have a question?
I don't have a question.
What is the rule of the game?
The rule of the game is simple and fair.
What are the company values?
The company value is the integrity.
What were you doing yesterday?
I was watching TV.
Why were you late for class?
I was talking to my friend.
What was she cooking for dinner?
She was cooking pasta.
Where were they going last night?
They were going to the movie.
What were you listening?
I was listening to music.
What were they discussing?
They were discussing the project.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is Hamlet.
Do you have any phobias?
Yes, I'm afraid of spiders.
Do you like to go hiking?
Yes, I enjoy hiking.
What's your favorite type of weather?
My favorite type of weather is sunny.
Have you ever ridden a horse?
Yes, I have ridden a horse before.
Do you enjoy going to the gym?
Yes, I like going to gym.
Do you have any tattoos?
No, I don't have any tattoos.
What's your strength?
I am quick learner and a great team player.
What's your weakness?
I am very straightforward and I trust people very quickly.
What can I do for you?
You can a favor for me.
How long does it take to boil an egg?
It depends on how you like your egg done.
How long does it take to bake a cake?
This depends on the size and type of cake.
How long does it to fly from New York to Los Angeles?
Non-stop flights typically take around 6 hours.
How long does it take to brew coffee?
Pour over coffee takes a few minutes.
How long does it take to get a driver's license?
The time to get a driver's license varies by location.
How long does a typical movie last?
Most movies run between 1.5 to 2.5 hours.
How long does it take to bake a cake?
It takes about 45 minutes to bake a cake.
How long does your morning workout usually last?
My morning workout usually lasts for an hour.
How long does it take for the mail to arrive?
It usually takes about 3 to 5 days for the mail to arrive.
How long does it take you to get ready in the morning?
It takes me around 30 minutes to get ready in the morning.
How long does a typical meeting at your office last?
A typical meeting at my office lasts about an hour.
How long does it take to charge your laptop fully?
It takes about 2 hours to fully charge my laptop.
How long does it take for the medicine to start working?
The medicine starts working in about 30 minutes.
How long does it take to walk to the nearest park?
It takes about 15 minutes to walk to the nearest park.
How long does the laundry cycle take?
The laundry cycle takes about an hour and a half.
How long does it take to clean the house?
It takes about 2 hours to clean the house.
How long does it take to write a report?
It takes me about 4 hours to write a report.
How long did you stay at the party last night?
I stayed at the party for 3 hours last night.
How long did it take you to finish your homework?
It took me 2 hours to finish my homework.
How long did your vacation in Europe last?
My vacation in Europe lasted for 2 weeks.
How long did you work at your previous job?
I worked at my previous job for 5 years.
How long did you wait at the doctor's office?
I waited at the doctor's office for 30 minutes.
How long did the renovation of your house take?
The renovation took 6 months.
How long did it take to recover from the flu?
It took me about a week to recover from the flu.
How long did you live in your old apartment?
I lived in my old apartment for 3 years.
How long did the movie last?
The movie lasted for 2 hours.
How long did it take you to read that book?
It took me about a month to read that book.
How long did you study for the exam?
I studied for the exam for 3 days.
How long did it take to resolve the issue?
It took about an hour to resolve the issue.
How long did the flight delay last?
The flight delay lasted for 2 hours.
How long did it take to paint the room?
It took me a weekend to paint the room.
How long did you stay in the hospital?
I stayed in the hospital for 3 days.
How long will you be staying in the city?
I stayed in the hospital for 3 days.
How long will it take for the delivery to arrive?
The delivery will take about a week to arrive.
How long will the festival go on this year?
The festival will go on for 3 days this year.
How long will it take to train the new employee?
It will take about a month to train the new employee.
How long will the sale last?
The sale will last until the end of the month.
How long will it take to repair the car?
It will take about a week to repair the car.
How long will the concert last tonight?
The concert will last for about 3 hours tonight.
How long will the meeting take tomorrow?
The meeting will take about an hour tomorrow.
How long will you be staying with your parents?
I will be staying with my parents for a week.
How long will you need to finish the assignment?
I will need about 2 days to finish the assignment.
Well done following our English class today. You did very well to listen and learn so much. Your support helps us to make more quality content for you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comments for more lessons. Thank you.